Today's video will show you how to create this easy and decorative picot chain. Hello and welcome back to Chives. To create this project, you will be needing the following materials. Begin by creating a slip knot. Chain 201. You can adjust the length of your chain for the project you need by simply adding 1 to the amount of chains worked and continue with the pattern. Slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. Slip stitch in the next 3 stitches. Chain 3. Slip stitch in the same stitch. Slip stitch in the next 3 stitches and repeat this pattern. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Chain 3. Slip stitch in the same stitch. Slip stitch in the next 3 chains. Keep on repeating the pattern until you reach the end of the chain. Slip stitch in the remaining chains and fasten off. Add this decorative picot chains to your projects. Visit the description box below to download your picot chain chart. Until the next video, thank you for watching and happy crocheting.